Hi guys, I'm going to draw Rapunzel in charcoal pencil. I've bought my very first charcoal pencil last week and I have been exploring the techniques and having fun with it. These are the portraits and characters I drew with this guy and it's so tiny now. We will need a black charcoal pencil, a white one and a cutter. We sharpen the pencil by using the cutter to whittle the wood away, so we somehow cut the wood away from the pencil by holding it firmly and use your thumb to push the wood off. Here, we are just using a normal pencil to draft the structure. We begin by drawing the circle, the cross, and the nose location. You can refer to my previous video of how to draw a human face on the left for more details. So I'm drawing her neck in 2 lines and a box to locate her body. Now I'll grab my tiny charcoal pencil to draw the upper lash line. Then draw the big round eyeball and the lower part of the eyes. You can use the lighter stroke to link the bottom and the upper lines. The upper lash line is always a bit thicker than the lower one. And don't forget to add the wavy lashes. Then the tiny nose and the nose bridge. Then I'll give her a really big smile. I really like Rapunzel. She's really a cheerful, positive, and crazy girl who chases her dreams. Then I'll draw the cheeks. Remember to make it more curvy and plumpy for the cheeks part. And half of the ears, mark the location of her hairline. The curves goes upwards then downwards to show the wavy switch over hair. The hairline usually radiates from that point. Then I'll add a little flower on her head. That's the flower the girls gave her in the village. Then the eyebrows, outline it lightly, then fill in the brows in the same direction. So I'm outlining her neck and drawing her outfit. The little ribbon facing downwards. Then I'm drawing more hair. That's her hair from the back. And I'm using white again to do the highlight of her eyeballs. Then filling in the rest of the eyeball to make it more realistic. Then I'm adding really dark circles in the center of her eyeballs. I'm adding more lines from the shadow of her hair and giving her hair more fullness because she has a lot of hair. So we're adding shadows for the head and the neck and the nose area. Then we're adding some highlights to the hair with the white pencil. And areas where the light hits the surface like the neck, cheeks, ears, and nose bridge. And the lace of her outfit. Just keep darkening the lines that you like to make it more realistic and detailed. Don't forget to add her freckles. This is your Princess Rapunzel. Hope you guys had a great time, and if you like this video, please subscribe for more. Bye!